learn English. Hello! Do you and your family want to learn English? We can help you. We teach English here every second day with word games. Today's game is top-level verbs. These are the most difficult words in our program. Number 1. All of these words are difficult, so please check your dictionary for all of them. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. It's always important to water. This means to only use as little as you need. Conserve. It's always important to conserve water and electricity. This breakfast cereal is with vitamins. This is the passive form of this verb. This means to make something stronger. Fortified. This breakfast cereal is fortified with vitamins. To fortify something means to make it stronger. They've had a few problems, but they are trying to achieve or do something. And this verb means they will keep trying, even though they are having some difficulties. They'll persevere. It means to keep trying, even though you are having difficulty. Bob doesn't like to ride a bike because his skin, this is when your skin rubs too much and it becomes red and painful. It chafes. That's why he doesn't like to ride a bike. Pavlov is the name of a Russian scientist. When Pavlov rang a bell, the dog. This is when liquid is produced in your mouth before you eat. The dog salivated. To salivate. Bob and his brother are over money again. This one has 2 L's here, but you can spell it with 2 L's or 1 L. They're both correct. This means they are arguing about money. They are quarreling over money. The basic form is to quarrel with somebody about something or over something. Quarrel is also a noun. This word has a few meanings. Please check your dictionaries. Quite often we use it like this, together with on. This means you should use this opportunity for your advantage. Capitalize. You should capitalize on this opportunity. I see that you are reading a book. That's great. Does that book you? This means, does it attract your attention? Interest. Does that book interest you? They know our plan because they... This is when you listen to somebody secretly. They eavesdropped. To eavesdrop. You have to. The fact that you are wrong. This is similar to accept or admit. Acknowledge. You have to acknowledge the fact that you are wrong. That was very difficult, but lots of fun. My name is Vinny. I'll see you next time, everybody. Bye-bye.